Hey everyone, New England Gardening. It's the blizzard of 2013. Today's Friday, February 8th. It's 5 o'clock and it'll be getting dark out soon. I think we got about a couple of inches. It's kind of a thin snow. It's wet, sticking to everything. So that's going to change though. It's going to get colder and it's going to become a light fluffy snow. And the rate it comes down is supposed to be picking up tonight as bands of snow come through. Could be like an inch an hour. So we'll see what we have by tomorrow morning. But right now I'd say there's about a couple of inches. I can go take a look. And like I said, it's a wet snow. It's sticking everything. Wind's starting to pick up. There's no driving allowed. No cars are allowed on the roads. Executive order from Governor Patrick. State of emergency. Everything's blowing all over the place. We've had a lot of storms this year with high winds. Let's go take a look at the snowfall. About an inch and a half so far. And it's wet, so I hope it does change over to a light fluffy snow, because my snowblower does not like this wet stuff. Can't throw it too far. Even with an 8 horsepower, I need something maybe a 9 horsepower, 12 horsepower. They make a 12 horsepower? I don't know. So this is New England Gardening. Not looking forward to all the work tomorrow, but what can you do? Thanks for watching.